What is up guys, welcome to Cyberbuff, and in today's video, we will be talking about the first app in this Builderall video series. Okay, so the first app that we will be talking about is the Cheetah website builder. Okay, so this is a drag and drop website builder that you can use for your lead generation, for your e-commerce, or if you're selling a single product, a digital product, whatever the case may be. This is, for me so far, is the easiest and the fastest website builder there is. Okay, so as you can see here, if you highlight the apps tab, you will see all the available tools that you can use for your internet marketing. Okay, so I already have showed you all these, but in today's video I will only be tackling about this specific tool, which is the Cheetah website builder. So when you click on it, if you don't have any website created yet, this is the page that you will be going in. Okay, so there are two different options. Now there is a professional template and there is a smart template, which I'm gonna talk about that later on, because this is for the people who are using all the tools and connecting the tools together. Okay, so like if you want the website to be connected to the email platform, which is Mailing Boss, so you can do your email marketing. But in today's video, to simplify this, we will only be talking about the professional templates. Okay, if you scroll down, there is a tutorial right from Builderall, and there is also a support button where you can send them a message, even chat with them in their operation hours. So the support in this platform is really good. They will get back to you within 24 hours if in case you are having some issues with what you're working on. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on the professional template, because they are always upgrading this. They are always providing new templates for us to use. Okay, so let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see guys, we have different templates to choose from, and we have this industry, the type, you can choose for you can choose different types like the one-time offer, opt-in, event registration, a lead magnet, squeeze pages, thank you page, whatever you want to use this for, you have an option to choose from. Okay, so if you're working on your branding, you can also choose the color in here. But as you can see guys, if we scroll down, these are the templates. It goes all the way down actually, but my internet is kind of slow, so most of the templates are not loading. But if you can see on the right, on the far right of the screen, even if I'm scrolling down, it's still loading. So let's say I'm going to create a lead magnet page. So I'll go ahead and click on type and choose lead magnet. Okay, so there are different niches in here. There are like cleaning service, fitness. So since the website, my internet is really slow guys, so let's go ahead and choose, because we can preview that anyway. So let's see, let's try this fitness one. So click on preview. So as you can see guys, this is the preview of the template that we're gonna be using for this training video, and we already have the menus here. So let's say if you click on it, let's say the about page. So this is the about section, and as you can see, all the text in here, you need to change it because they're using the lorem ipsum. And you can add a video on your about section and all that. So the footer section is is the same for all of the website, because you can use that. You can you can edit that and set that inside the builder. But um, let's go back to Builderall and choose and select rather, and I'm gonna show you on how to edit. So this is going to be a simple video, just to make this video very short, okay? And I'll just be showing you how to edit the elements, how to add elements, and we can create more and more videos after this one, if in case you have some questions. So just let me know if you need to know something, or if you have any questions about this training. Okay, so once you select it, it's you will have a tour actually, so you'll know what to do or where to go, but I'm gonna skip that because I'll be showing you that anyway. So once you select a template, you will be greeted with this website, and these are the pages that were already added and that you need to edit for your business. Okay, so we have the home section, which is the home page, and if you remember guys, when I clicked on the about us, it took us to a different page. So this is not a single page website, so there's a different page for the about us, for the services, and for the contact us. So let us go ahead and check the contact us page here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on edit. So this is the contact us page, and again I'm gonna click on skip tour. So in this lesson we will be working on this contact us page. So customizing all the elements is pretty easy. All you need to do is click. So let's say you want to change this contact us text to message us. So you can either click on Control A to select all, or just remove the text that you want to replace. So I'll type in message us. So you can also change the font here, right? So you can change it to any font you want. You can also change the size. You can make it bold or italic. So pretty much the same as the Word document. So you can edit the style of the text in here. Okay, so if you want to change the background, all you need to do is click on the panel itself. So in this builder, you have different panels, which is going to be a section once the website is built. So this one is the header panel, which separates it from the first fold panel, which is this one. So you can add more and more elements in here depending on what you want your website to look like. And there is this another section, which is your the lead generation or the lead capture section. That's a different panel as well. So this one is your footer, and that's a different panel as well. Now if you want to add more panel, all you need to do is click on this arrow, and as you can see, under the add tab you have the panel option and the elements option. So the panel again is this one. Okay, so the section of each site, and the element is what's inside the panel. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So let's say in this panel you want to add, like, let's say, I don't know, let's just add something. So let's say you want to add a button. So just click on this button right here, and you should see different button options. So apologies because you don't see any buttons in here, because again my internet is very slow right now, so the buttons are not showing up. But inside the button elements there are so many buttons to choose from in here actually. So if I randomly click and drag here, as you can see guys, right, so there's that, and I'll delete this, and then we can make it larger like so. And then for each element you can edit them as well. So if you click on this element and click on this pencil button, it says edit element, so you can drag this here, and you should be able to choose the design that you want. So let's say for this one the background color is that mint green, I'd say. So if you want to choose, let's say this dark green right here. Okay, so let's scroll down, and the hover effect, it means that if you hover that in the live preview, it should change color. Instead of green, it's gonna change to this color. Or if you want to change it to purple instead, it depends on how you want it to look like. But for this example, I'll choose the blue one. And for the text, this is going to be the text. So buy now, that's the headline, or we can just click send to messenger. If you want to connect like your ManyChat link here, you can change the font, you can change the font size here like so, and you can also add a sub headline. So let's say your headline is sent to messenger, you can add another text here like this, redirects to FB Messenger. Or if you don't want that, you can just leave it as it is. Okay, so that's the button. So the action of the button depends on what you want it to do as well. So what you need to do is click on this link, and you will get different options in here. Okay, so there are lots of different options, like for web, if you want to redirect it to a different URL, or if you want it to go to a different page, if you want to choose any of the pages in here, you can add the Builderall auto tags, you can put a pop-up, anchor video. So there are lots of different options, but in this example, let's just set it to go to google.com and open in a new tab. So just click on select, and that's how you edit that. Now if you scroll down, this is going to be connected to your Mailing Boss tool, which can be found inside the app, and this is the Mailing Boss 5.0. So all the leads that's gonna fill out this form is gonna go to your own pipeline right inside Builderall. So you don't need to like sign up for a different paid platform to do your email marketing. Builderall already has their own email marketing platform, which is Mailing Boss. So I'm gonna discuss this in the future video, but yeah, as you can see guys, super slow internet, I'm sorry about that, but let's go ahead and proceed. So this is the footer. Okay, so you can put whatever you want here, maybe a small or a shorter version of your about us. You can add your links here for your socials, your contact info. Again, if you want to change the text, all you need to do is double click like so, and then change text like that. Okay, so website builder is pretty easy to use actually. So all you need to do is click on the element and edit it the way you want. So let's say for example this one. So if you click on this element, you will be presented with different options in here, and the main thing that you will be doing is to edit the element if you want to change how it looks. So the appearance, if you want to change that, and for the settings like so, this is going to be for your email marketing again. So this is going to be discussed when we create when we actually create like an autoresponder for this, and if you want to center the element like so, there's that. And let's say that you want to have like a box, right? So I'll just explain this layer down and layer up in here. So I'll just move this lower first. Okay, so if you want to make the panel bigger, just drag and just sorry, click and hold and then drag it downwards. Okay, if you want to make it smaller, so vice versa. Okay, so let's go ahead and choose a box. Okay, so go for elements and then box. So it's not loading again on my end, but I can still drag and drop a box here. And as you can see, I'll change the color to purple. Okay, but just in case when you add a box, so we want this box to actually be a background of the text, right? So all you need to do is click on the box and choose layer down, so it's gonna go behind the text. Okay, so that's what that feature do. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. We can, if you want, I can create like the I can create a longer video for this, but this is really simple to use. And you can create a free account, a 14-day free trial. I'll put in the link below so you can try the website for yourself. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure to follow and subscribe.